Stop. Like the man them jump the fence, you know? Yeah.
Alright people, what going? You know, Jomar here, checking in. Match day, enough, you know. The last vlog for the World Cup qualifying campaign. So we're out here with the third member of the This or That Sports TV crew, Emil again. How you feeling today, bro?
I'm feeling good now. I'm expecting a win today. To beat them at their home. I'm come to the office now. I'm expecting us to put out a very positive result.
Yo, I wouldn't necessarily call this. Sorry, people. This is the people in Jamaica Road are the worst kind of people in the world. But anyways, I wouldn't necessarily call it the office, bro. More like a cubicle. And the traffic just like kill me, yo. How did I get here? You know, I said that I'm afraid to do, people. What am I doing in this line? Can you see me a nerd?
Yeah, man, right? We just catch a fan, you know? They must sell them soup on YouTube, you know that go. We know it's a rush catch few entrance, but you know it's the full entrance bigger and better, you know? Yeah, man, we're there. Live and direct. Then in a place, you know? Man like Rush, man like military good. The final reason I get copyright. Because music, no. Well, them can get that.
There's no way man can take up them phone and call and say, boy, coach, you know, say such and such, me can get in a squad. I say, yeah, man, just make sure say such and such, I in a squad. Foolishness.
Phoebs, what going on? How old is it?
Number 6.
Let's up the vlog.
Big
Like subscribe to?
Leon B.
There we go, people.
Number 7.
Share the love, share the love.
Big up, and make sure to subscribe.
Ronald Morrison. Number 10. Deborah Williams. The coach, Paul Hall.
This way, my
Between
people.
the teams of Jamaica and Honduras.
Yeah, man, people, so they must lead out now, you know? I was just there, I go and watch it, you know?
National anthem.
Me nah stop for no anthem. Unruly. Yeah.
Of Jamaica.
Me nah stop for no anthem. Me a bad boy. Catch up. Oh, I feel them anthem. It's a we that. Ball boy them look bossy. Where you say, what is score, my G? What is score? What is score for today? Where you say?
Like Jamaica.
How much?
Yeah,
2 love. Ah, see how we're big up yourself. Yeah. Ball boy say 2 love. Where 2 love I predict to? You know. I see what other ball boy them say, you know. What you say to them, G? How much am I get? How much you say? How much am I get? How much am I get?
I get 4 love.
3 love? Ah, let's see how we're up top. Yeah. Everybody confident. But now, me confident too. I think we're supposed to beat Honduras easily. Maybe I'm just deluding, but. Game start.
Yeah.
You know we're going to our spot. I think I will tell them that right now, though.
Yeah, sure.
You see some man on top of it. Look if you can see. I don't want to hide and video them. Look up top. Like the man them jump the fence, you know, yeah. But you have to do what you have to do. I don't judge it, but look over there. Kind of man ref this budget, man lines. I still have a problem with it now. Again, check out that graphic here. No one can read. 70+% on where I watch this right now. Don't subscribe to the channel. You know, brother, hit the subscribe button right now. Right now. Now get time. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Andre Blake, if we need a penalty save, who will call her? Anytime you need a save, call on me. Good save. Good try. Ones and ones. Wonder one. How much time we say that, dog? The amount of time we say that. We are intro talking clip, but we under one my side. Oh, look.
Concede a penalty.
Sloppy as you will say.
Yeah. Not much to say about it.
What we just say? We tell him what I'm going on.
I go to him and say, yo.
Come on, give him man. Show them.
Goal!
Golazo! Needed a better penalty. Make me sit.
Leon,
What we take
yo,
it?
I thought,
Hey, we take goal. Stop.
I the way how Andre Gray step up for kicking penalty because Andre Gray won. And Leon Bailey got to him and say, yo, bro,
You know
I'm the kid.
Yeah, you
right?
know what I'm going right
I'm
now.
the kid. Yeah, and
You know about Big Central.
but
But them know about goal pile.
go forward now.
Yeah. No, I'm thinking about sideways still. But my God, man. Let me go back. My God. But no, I mean take that. Whole flick boy.
That was smart football.
Whole pile.
Yeah.
Pile. I was to see it in a touch.
Goal! That me a talk about. Goal! One Ravel.
Yeah. 2-1. That way I talk about.
Remember a man named Vernon?
Yes. My side there and we are brave. We left the stadium. Because you know the ticket we use go in, so them can't tell you no re-entry. We think boss it. Where you say man with a full face? Use something for the vlog now, Bridget? People have not time for them.
Now that's a 7 out of 10 performance thus far, but we're winning.
The skill boy. them back your skill boy. Yeah man, me I tell you. them mash up him skill.
But I'm saying it all
Hold on. You sure?
winning.
Hold on, you sure say that skill start at 0? No man, let them get a 2 for start man.
Start at 2.
Yeah. But we're there, we're outside. We still go back in. You know the thing? Outside. We're there back inside. Out there. Referee! Hands in game. Yeah. Not a, never a red card. Never a red card. You might check VAR.
So the people them say what they
We're there and check over. Never a red card.
Yeah.
We're confident. Never a red card. But Daniel Green can take him so they know still. People, we have a good time. Cause what you know? Bygrave just come on. I want him. Me I predict Bygrave for school. Yeah.
Nah, go up.
Eh?
Nah, go up.
Why you believe in that people them boy? Alex Marshall just come on. Me have a question still. Nah, ask them. But not ask them.
Ask the question.
Me have a question but be not ask dog. I want to push Alex Marshall. He must score it, you know? You alright, brother?
You know, and I think that's what we did tonight. You know, we show that we can play from behind.
Yeah, right wing back for the first half. Yeah, I ain't played there in a long. Well, I don't think I've ever played there in my career. Started the game, so
the whole period of the last couple of months, I have best time for a while because it's not like a play.
Represent my cousin, Nanalo.
No.
I don't understand that, but don't tell me say me don't know what me don't know that. You already do know that. So me enlighten you.
Man of the match, Chris. Man of the match.
That's it.
Anyways, ones and ones. We're there in the parking lot, you know. We got some work done. Fan cams, people record, go and check out the fan cams. Yeah. Have some interviews, see where you know it go. And you know the vlog entertaining. As usual. But I still have a problem with it. Again, check out that graphic here. No one can read. 70+% of nowhere watch this right now. Don't subscribe to the channel. And that get me very upset. So please,
People don't think so much.
Hit that subscribe
button. That can work. But you get me, sir? Nah, I do the work.
but a serious thing now, brother. Hit the subscribe button right now. Right now. Now get time. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
You guys see the content that we've been providing? You know that Leon Bailey interview giving you this kind of insight? You guys see us right on the side of the field telling you what the players are saying, telling you what the players are doing. Guys, we are working very hard to give you unprecedented content. We are doing it like nobody before in the Jamaican football fraternity has done. You know, and thank you for supporting us thus far. But then you can support more. Yeah. Rush, 8,000 people have watched at this or that sports video.
That's true.
8,000 or more.
That is true.
And how many subscribers do we have?
1,225.
How? Explain the arithmetic.
That makes
Sister,
sense.
them now do the maths, bro.
Nah, do the maths, dog. Give them the maths then.
If each one of you guys can share this video and every other video to at least 5 people and get us 5 subscribers, do you know how many subscribers that will get us by the end of the day? What we are doing?
Yeah, people. But for now, this is the vlog. Email there as usual. You know it go. Have to make him get feature. But yeah, people, for now. So this is that Sports TV. And we're out.